Hi, Drew. So I was just kind of messing around with the fonts on your poster design. So as you can see, I did change the fonts. This is Abolition Regular, and I stacked them. I feel like Study Graphic Design under the Big Sky at MSU Northern. Study Graphic Design seems like it should be on its own line, so I put a return there, and then I just made this smaller so that it kind of lines up with that. And then I kind of separated out this little tagline and put like a box behind it just to kind of create a little bit of interest in the text. And then I changed this to Montserrat Regular, or, a Helvetica would have worked. And then I did cut quite a few of the words out. It does say everything it needs to say. And on your design, for whatever reason, it just does not lend to having a lot of extra text. And so if you can still get the message across with cutting the text, you're welcome to do that on your designs with some of the text that I end up giving to you. And it also gives your design down here a little bit more breathing room. And I think it does look a little better this way. So as you can see, if you kind of just try to, segment out the text just a little bit, and try to add, a little bit of interest here and there with like these boxes or different colors, different treatments, and maybe slightly different fonts that look decent together. That can help your design out quite a bit, and just kind of help mix it up. And this blue box, obviously matches the logo, but it also kind of ties into the arrow here and, some of the other blues that you have going on in your design. So maybe next time, just try to work with that text a little bit more, experiment with sizes of the text, font pairs. I know that you did do a font pair, but I just don't know if it was super successful. It does look like you used two different colors of font on your text and two different kinds of font. And also just don't be afraid to cut text. If you feel like there's unnecessary text in there and your design just doesn't support it, then it's always a good idea to cut the unnecessary stuff out. So yeah, just a quick tip. And overall, though, I really do like the design that you came up with. But I just wanted to show you what a little bit of extra attention to the text can do for your design. Anyway, I'll talk to you soon and have a good break.
Good afternoon.